Hello guys, this is Thomas from Hotkey404 and today I will show you how to run Asterisk by user other than root. At this point you might be wondering why would we ever want to change the user of our Asterisk. To give an example, let's jump to Asterisk console. Here, after exclamation mark, we can execute any system command. For example, after checking the status of our firewall, we can easily disable it. However, if we were to execute the same actions but as a non-root user, Asterisk do not have the privileges to execute the command. The same rule applies to system commands in your dial plan. So at this point you can probably imagine all those potential security risks. So let's change the user of our Asterisk. In my tutorial I will be using Asterisk 16 installed from source on CentOS 7. So after checking with whoami that I'm starting as a root user, we can check that all the files in etc asterisk folder are owned by root user and group. Now to change that we are going to use the command user add and we are going to type, for example, asterisk. You might want to do the same with a group, but probably the group already exists. If you plan on logging in as this user, you can also set the password with passwd. At this point, you might be wondering where to find all those files owned by root and those that we want to change with our asterisk user. Later in this video, I'll explain where to find exactly all those files, no matter what version of Asterisk or operating system you're using. At this point, we can use just find command and it will list all those files and directories with Asterisk in their name. Having that, we are going to use chown command to change the user and the group. So let's type chown capital R for recursive and asterisk colon asterisk, which is user and the group, and then our var lib asterisk directory. Also, we will use the same command chown -r asterisk colon, and you don't have to type the group because if you don't specify it, it will use the same group as the user. And then after var directory, inside of a bracket, you can type all those folders, log, run, spool, and then after closing the bracket, asterisk. Next, chown -r asterisk colon and then etc asterisk. Finally, chown, and then this is just the file, so asterisk colon usr as being asterisk. And the last one, chown -r asterisk colon and usr, and then your library directory. If you're using 64-bit version, this is lib64 asterisk. Just to check the version, use uname and then -a, and it will display the information about your operating system, whether this is 62 or just 32-bit. Then after checking with ls-l and, for example, etc asterisk, you will see that all those files are now owned by asterisk user and group. Then to run asterisk as this new user, let's edit etc asterisk.conf file, and here uncomment run user and run group. Here you can set whatever you want. You can change this asterisk user to my user, whatever you want. After saving, we can now go to our asterisk console with asterisk -r, and you should see that your asterisk is running as an asterisk user and group. Unfortunately, we are not done yet because after exclamation mark, and this is the way to execute any command as it was just an operating system command line, you can execute anything. For example, check the IP tables, and you can see all of that because with exclamation mark whoami, you will see that you are still executing those as a root user. So let's change our user with SU and our new asterisk. Then enter console with *-r, and now with !who am I, you'll see that we are executing all those commands as asterisk user. So for example, I cannot even check the status of my firewall. What then are some of the benefits of using asterisk as a different user? Let's say someone entered etc asterisk and extensions.conf, and in your features, for example voicemail, before the command he or she entered a system command, and this system command allows you to execute virtually anything. So if that individual entered, for example, power of command, anytime someone calls you or checks their voicemail, it will just turn off the computer or your server. However, if we changed our user to, for example, asterisk, this command won't be executed, so we don't have to be afraid. And it is worth mentioning that asterisk, in addition to system command, can execute AGI scripts, PHP scripts, so it's good to have your system secure. And now, going back to promised list of all the files and directories that you need to take into consideration while changing your user, enter core show settings, and at the end you will see the list of all the directories. Now we have a little bonus. Let's say that you followed our tutorial and you're using your asterisk with a GSM USB modem. So you want to be able to send some messages or make some phone calls with your SIM card. At this point, if we execute ls-l and dev tty USB, at the end you will see that this modem is owned by root user and dial out group. But this is a bit of a problem, because if we enter asterisk console, you will see that with dongle show devices command, this dongle is not connected, and you will see a lot of warnings that your asterisk cannot access your device anymore. To change this, and I just want to remind you that we are talking about CentOS 7 here, let's go to etc udev rules.d directory, and as a root, so let's verify who am I root, let's create a file called 92dongle.rules, and here we will add a line that every time kernel discovers a device TTY USB and asterisk, set the mode of this device, and we're talking about the permissions here, to 666. Then set the owner of this device to asterisk and the group to asterisk. After saving the file, we will reboot our server or our Raspberry, and after the reboot, you will see that this same device is now owned by asterisk. So let's reboot our server. And after reconnecting, let's check with ls-l dev tty USB devices. You can see at the end that our modem is owned by asterisk user and group. After entering CLI *-r, we are still running as asterisk user and group, and our device is connected. If all of that is too much for you, just check our website hotkey404.com, and in the blog section you will find the whole tutorial, and you'll be able to easily change the user, and you will find there a simple script that will do this automatically for you in just a few seconds. To summarize, you may have noticed that on our channel we have handled different types of security measures in Asterisk. If you have any more ideas, let me know in the comment section and we'll think about more of those videos. So that's it for today. Have an amazing day, secure PBX, and see you in the next one.